Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to implement main activity. Creating activity main binding variable, binding, and creating instance for person view model. Also commenting set content view because we are going to bind the activity layout to binding variable. Here, data binding util is a class contains public methods for binding, layout, and other components. Creating instance for person database. So person DAO equal to person database dot get instance the application context dot person DAO. Also initializing for person repository. Next, I'm creating factory instance. Now using person view model, I'm calling view model provider class. It is a utility that returns view model as a scope. And binding dot person view model equal to person view model. And binding dot lifecycle owner is this. Using person view model dot persons dot observe. So here I'm creating a log event to print records from person table. Running the application. Now you can see application is loaded and you can see no records available. Now creating new record. And insert. Now you can see new record inserted in person table. Clear fields function is working. So adding another record. Now another record also you can see in the log. Next, we are going to implement search functionality for first name. Creating new button, a button search. Also changing constraints, that way button can appear below insert button. Changing on click event, search by first name. So I haven't created this function. I will be creating in person view model. To create search functionality, we have to add this function in 3 files. One is person DAO and person repository and person view model. So here I have created empty function. So now I am creating a function in person DAO. So I'm using a query select star from person where first name like query string name suspend function DAO search by first name and arguments name as a string and return person object. Now implementing search in person repository. Now coming back to person view model, and here implementing functionality for search by first name. View model scope. So inside the scope, I'm declaring a variable person by first name equal to, I'm calling person repository person repo search by first name. So here if person by first name is not null, then I'm assigning return values to view model input fields. So if return object is null, so I am printing no records found. Running the app, so I'm searching for mark and search. So now you can see all the records retrieved from person table. And clearing and searching for the name. So you can see no records found because we have only two records, Alex and Mark. Now let us implement update and delete. Here I am not going to create new buttons. I am going to use existing buttons used for insert and clear. Creating new person object, person to update or delete. So this object will be used to assign the existing person details. That way we can update or delete the record in person table. Now creating init method. Before adding init method, creating another variable, because we already created a variable for clear all, and creating another bindable variable for save or update. Now inside init method, save or update button text dot value equal to insert, and clear all dot value equal to delete. Now going to activity main.xml and changing the button text for insert, adding bindable variable person view model dot save or update button text, and changing text for clear button person view model dot clear all. Default it will show insert or insert and delete in the button text. Now going to person view model and going to function search by first name. I'm adding is update or delete equal to true, and changing the button text to update and delete. Running the app and searching first name Mark. Now you can see all text fields are updated with search value and text box changed to update and delete. I am going to add methods in person dev and person repository. Update suspend function dev update person, and inside person object as a parameter. I am putting the package Next, delete suspend function dou delete person. Next, creating method in person repository. Suspend function person repo update person. Inside function calling person dou update person. So another function creating for delete person repo delete person. Inside function calling person dou dot delete person. Now coming back to person view model. So inside insert or update, I am adding a condition is update or delete equal to false. So else part, I am assigning person to update or delete object to the input field values. Update person and passing parameter as person to update or delete. I am going to create new function update person. And creating view model scope dot launch. So inside the scope, I'm calling person repository dot person repo update person. Then calling clear all fields to clear all the information in the text fields. Next, creating delete person. So inside view model scope, I'm calling person repository dot person repo delete person and passing person object. Also calling clear all fields. Also inside insert or update function, adding clear all fields. I need to create one more function for clear all or delete. Based on the flag, this function will call clear all fields function or delete person function. Going to activity main XML and changing the function for clear all, changing it to clear all or delete. So now I need to assign the results to person to update or delete object. So going to search by first name. So on the last item, I need to reset the button text when any action is completed. So going to clear all fields and setting the text value to previous default text value. Clear all dot value equal to clear all, and save or update button text dot value equal to insert. Also setting is update or delete equal to false. Running the app. Currently only one record is in the log file, you can see. So adding a new record, mark, insert. Now you can see the log, a new record has been added. Now searching Alex. So now you can see search results appearing in the text fields. And changing the age to 40. Update. Now you can see the log, the age is changed to 40. Also button text updated back to insert and clear all. Now searching mark and delete. Now you can see the log, only one record appears in the table. Adding mark again. Okay, now let us look at what we have covered. So we created model, person database, person entity, and person DAO object, person repository. For view model, we created person view model, person view model factory, and for view, we have used main activity.kt and activity main.xml. For MVVM, A model communicates to view model and view model communicates to view. So view does not have any knowledge on what is available in model. It always communicates to view model and gets the response back to view. For that, we have used binding variables to communicate between view and view model. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.